a Porsche 911 here right behind us. This is an incredibly unique Porsche 911. It's the Carrera 4S, first registered in 2013. Let me just give you a bit of a context on the Porsche 991.1. The 991.1 was first launched at the Frankfurt Motor Show in October 2011. And this really has a lot to say to Porsche enthusiasts because they've maintained that 3.8 litre naturally aspirated engine, but for the first time ever on a completely new, fully redesigned from the ground up and onwards, front to back. It's got new body, a completely new gearbox. Yes, the PDK was first introduced in the 997.2, but it's really in the 991.1 that it's absolutely tuned to perfection. The steering wheel also gives you the old feel to how a sports car should be, nice and firm, and gives you plenty of feedback. And you've got the 3.8 litre naturally aspirated flat 6 boxer engine, for the first time ever producing more bhp than ever before. 395 brake horsepower, 440 newton meters of torque, a 0 to 62 miles per hour possible in 4.3 seconds, and a top speed of 184 miles per hour. I mean, what more do you want? And in this video I'd like to cover everything that this Porsche 911 has to say about the brand Porsche and what is unique about it. So let's find out. People, they would say the black on black interior is the best combination to have. This is the C9Z, the basil black metallic. You've got the xenon headlights, you've got the 19-inch alloys giving you a proper classic look and feel to it. You've got the tilt and slide roof as well. On the interior, you've got an incredibly rare spec option here of the Sports Seats Plus, which are hardback. And as you would get on any 911, you've got the 2+2 layout, so it offers you phenomenal practicality. Here, where the driver is sitting behind that steering wheel, you've got the Porsche Sport steering wheel with paddle shifts, so fantastic steering wheel to have. And you've got the chrono watch, Sport Plus button, front seats are heated, and you've got the 7-speed PDK Doppelkupplungsgetriebe gearbox. And where it really takes off is this rear view here, because on the Carrera 4S you've got this wider rear end, and I think if you want to look at something from a beauty point of view, this is the rear end that you would want on every sports car. Let's hear this naturally aspirated 3.8 litre flat 6 boxer engine. I mean, right now, even doing 40 miles an hour, there's plenty of feedback. This steering wheel feels incredibly responsive and accurate, and being in the 5th gear now, 45 miles an hour, even though I'm still poodling around at a low speed, it is a beautiful car to feel and to experience. But where this really comes alive is, let's actually put this window up and let me illustrate. We'll drop it to the 2nd gear. So I've dropped it from the 4th to the 3rd and then to the 2nd. And as it drops, the responsiveness that you get from the PDK transmission working incredibly well with the engine, it just complements it so well. And the rev matching that you get with it, almost like, it sounds sensational. And just the way it holds the revs, and it drops when you go up a gear a little bit, but you get this phenomenal sound out of the exhaust system, all naturally aspirated, you know, the burbles, the gurgles. It's very grunty. Again, from a sports car point of view, just addictive in terms of a sound, and I think that's probably the right word and the right way to describe it. Just being here, driving this, taking it through these countryside roads, and just the way it holds, I feel like the car and the road are a perfect symphony. Really, the Porsches, they come alive around these bends. You don't need to be doing crazy speeds. And you can have a lot of fun at low speeds, and you can have a lot of fun incredibly safely. And a top speed of 184 miles per hour. What more could you want than what this has to really offer? If this is a 911 you're looking to buy, look no further, because this has got a full Porsche service history. The 12th year service was done in October 2024. It has Porsche warranty until 16th November 2026. So you can enjoy a lot of stress-free driving in this, and also low owners too, full former keepers, and the current owner has owned it since 2016. So hopefully I've given you a compelling case that if you are looking to buy a 991.1, here we are in May and this is available. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let us know what your experience has been like with the many Porsches you have, or the one Porsche that you've got, or what you thought about this review. Thank you. Bye bye.